Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. It is a beautiful Thursday afternoon here in Southwest Florida. The temperature this morning was about 43 degrees. It currently is about 77, 78, and it's a beautiful day. I thought I would take you along and do a quick walkthrough of what's going on in the garden and what my plans for it are in the future. Hey, here's a quick update on the black-eyed peas that I planted the other day. If you look at them, I planted 27 of them and 25 of them have sprouted, and they're coming up pretty well. So once they get their second set of true leaves on, I'll go ahead and plant them in the green stock planter and in the raised bed. The other plants or seeds that I planted, spinach. We got a few of the spinach seeds that are coming up. Looks like 4 of the 9, so less than 50%. Broccoli, we have, looks like 6 of the 9 that have come up. The Brussels sprouts, the cauliflower, both varieties, have not started coming up. And lettuce that I planted a couple days later, one variety, we have 9 out of 9 germination rate. And the other one, right now, it looks like we have 7 out of 9. So looks like everything is coming along. I'm going to give the cauliflower a little bit more time to see if they come up, and we'll let you know how everything goes. So we're here in front of one raised bed that has pak choy, lettuce, and cabbage in it. And the pak choy has really started to take off. I'm going to let these get a little bit bigger before I go ahead and harvest them. My lettuce, these are some extra plants that I had. The Blue Rock variety of romaine lettuce, and they are doing great. Here are some older ones, and pretty soon we'll be harvesting lettuce almost every single day, which is good. Okay, here my ball head cabbage. This one is starting to form, and its sister plant is also starting to form. So that one's not, and neither is this one. The way I see it, probably another 2 or 3 weeks and these two should be big enough to take out. And if I take those out, then I will give room to some other ones so that they can grow themselves. Okay, my mustards. What else can I say about these? These are looking tremendous. In an upcoming video, I'm going to have a massive brassica harvest. We're going to do the turnips. We're going to do the collards. Collards are also looking fantastic, and they are huge. We're going to do cabbage, and we're also going to do a lot of lettuce. This is one of my Savoy cabbages. I have a small head, about the size of my hand here. I'm going to see if I can get it to be a little bit bigger. I see stuffed cabbages in the future. My Lacinato Kale is starting to take form and get bigger. I didn't realize kale grows so slowly, but out of all the brassicas, to me, I may be wrong, but in my opinion, this one takes the longest to grow. Every 2 or 3 weeks, I see where it looks like it has grown, but not as much as some of its sister plants. This is one of my Brussels sprouts. It's doing well. It's starting to grow faster, which is good. Here's another one sitting next to it. Brussels sprouts have not started to form yet, but the plant is getting much bigger. My carrots are doing fantastic. Not sure when I'm going to pull them to see if they're ready or not, but I'm just going to let them continue to grow, and one day in the near future or in the future we'll see what we're going to do with them. Okay, this is the green stalk planter that I'm going to put the black-eyed peas in. It only has 2 plants in it, and both are Chois. This is the smaller one, and this is the bigger one here. It'll be one of the brassicas that I will be removing. And also from this raised bed, we have turnips. The bulbs are nice and big. The leaves, not so much, but the bulbs are big. If I harvest all of them at one time, it should be a good amount for a family meal. And then I can put some of the black-eyed peas in this particular bed. In this green stalk, we have purple choy, purple lady choy. They're starting to get big and doing well. My elephant garlic is looking fantastic. I still haven't put any fertilizer on it other than when I water. I have the drip irrigation with fertilizer injected into the system. So it hasn't received that much fertilization. So probably in March I'll start fertilizing it. But overall, plants are doing well. Here we have more lettuce. This is Butterhead crunch lettuce. This is also ready to be harvested, so we're going to do harvest some of these in the massive harvesting brassica harvest I was speaking of earlier. We have my marigolds. These are the orange ones, and these are the gold ones. Gold ones, although I put a lot of seeds in the container, not that many came up. The orange ones are doing well, and I'm going to move these in the near future and give them more sun so that they can start blooming. Hey, my onions are doing well. Going to continue to push the nitrogen in them so that the stalks get nice and green before they start bulbing. I didn't have any intention of doing a video. This morning in Southwest Florida, the temperature was about 43 degrees. So I wasn't going to come out and do a video in the morning like I normally do. It is currently now about 77, 78 degrees. So obviously it's warmed up some. And I decided to come out and shoot a quick video to let you know what's going on in the garden. So I'm happy with the progress of everything, and I got my spring stuff ready, so I'm looking forward to that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and take this moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. So consider doing so. I know several of you watch my videos, and for that I am grateful. But go ahead and subscribe. That will help the algorithm that YouTube uses, and it will push my channel even more. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to click the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload something new. If you're interested in any of the products, seeds, fertilizer that I use in this video, go ahead and read the comment section of the video and head over to my Amazon storefront and also to my website. You will also see who I'm affiliated with, and head over there. Remember, spring is coming, so get your supplies early so you won't have to wait. And until next time, remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow great amounts of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow.